Let's take a look inside this amazing course. There's a course introduction and 6 modules. Each lesson within each of the modules and the course introduction has a video. So you'll just click the first lesson and be directed to a video. There's also audio downloads for every lesson and a full audio for each section or module. So if I click full course audio, it will take me here and I can download this and listen to it while I'm doing the dishes or whatever I'm doing. Let's go back to the main page. Each module also has a workbook, so you can click on the workbook and download it here. So you just click download and it will download to your computer. And what's awesome about this workbook is that it's interactive. So you can actually type in it or you can print it if you would like, and you can start taking action right in the workbook, which is really, really awesome. Let's go back and look at some of the other modules. Each video is very short. I think the longest video is probably the instructor introduction. I tried to make it as simple and concise as possible for you. So, and then again, every video, all of the content that's in the video is in audio format and it's in the workbook. So here's the behavior module, and then the routines module, the tools module. And what's awesome too is that a lot of these lessons include tools for you. So for example, the choice board lesson has editable choice boards for you. The conferring lesson has a little unit for you, a mini unit. The launching lesson has a launching reading and writing workshop unit for you. The year-long curriculum lesson has a year-long curriculum template waiting for you. And the reason that it's locked right now is because you have to complete the previous lesson before you can go to the next lesson. And then the last module is the assessment module. So in order to get access to all of them, you have to do them in order. It is a lot of content. There's 42 lessons. Each lesson comes with a video, and every module has a workbook that goes with it so that you can start taking action on what you learn. There's links to all sorts of things. Just all of my very, very best stuff is in this course.